If you had to grow up too early, you didn't lose your childhood. It was taken from you. Maybe you were 7 years old, comforting a parent who should have been comforting you. Maybe you were 10, making dinner because no one else would. Maybe you were 12, keeping secrets to hold the family together. You became the responsible one, the strong one, the one who never complained, and everyone praised you for it, but no one asked what it cost. Here's what happened. Children are supposed to be children. Their only job is to play, to explore, to feel safe enough to make mistakes. But your nervous system learned something different. It learned that love is conditional on performance, that your needs don't matter, that to be valued, you must be useful. Psychologically, this is called parentification. You became the parent to your own parents. You managed emotions that weren't yours to carry. You solved problems you were too young to understand. And your brain adapted. It shut down the parts of you that felt playful, vulnerable, spontaneous, because those parts weren't safe. Now, even as an adult, you can't relax. You feel guilty resting. You panic when things feel out of control. You say yes when you mean no because disappointing people feels dangerous. This isn't you being responsible. This is a child inside you still trying to earn love by being perfect. And here's the cost nobody talks about. You don't know how to receive care. When someone offers help, you push it away. When someone wants to take care of you, it feels uncomfortable, even wrong, because deep down, you believe you don't deserve it unless you've earned it first. But listen carefully. You were a child. You deserved to be protected, not to be the protector. You deserve to cry without being told you're too sensitive. You deserve to play without being called irresponsible. None of this was your fault. Here's the gentle truth. You can't get that childhood back, but you can give yourself what you didn't receive. Start small. Let someone help you without immediately returning the favor. Say no to one thing this week without apologizing. Take 1 hour to do something pointless, something just for joy, and most importantly, speak to that child inside you, the one who grew up too fast. Tell them, you don't have to be strong anymore. You don't have to earn my love. You can rest now. You weren't born to carry the world, you were forced to. Now you get to choose to put it down. One breath, one boundary, one moment of rest at a time. Are you someone who had to grow up too early? Drop a comment. Let's honor the children we were and heal the adults we became. If this touched something in you, subscribe. We speak the quiet truths no one else does.